Hello all you awesome people and welcome to this video. Today it's about the Nokia 6100. This phone works fine. The only problem that I have with it, gotta love these icons, it's, well, the body shell. You can kind of see what's going on here, and yes, this is a crack. If I do this, it widens. It gets wider, you get the idea. Actually, can I adjust the brightness? Font display settings, screensaver brightness. Oh, I can make it even brighter. I think this is best. Okay, now I can see the icons better. Nice. So I wanted to say that in this video I'm not going to put a original body shell because I do not have one. I'm going to do a custom paint job on the white part and change the back and the front and the buttons. So if you wanted to see a video with a original Nokia body shell, I'm sorry, this is not it. But if you want to see how it will end, please continue watching. And I hope you enjoyed it. So let's begin. $107 talk hours in 14 minutes, not bad. And like old phones, you can't get out of here except only if you turn it off. So much dust in the display. I don't have nails anymore. Oh, the dust in this poor guy, or gal, depending on your preference. So this is glued here, but it comes off the main board. So it has an infrared port here. I can't paint that part. Ooh, the dust. No, it has plastic margins to hold the screen. This is the dusty display. For now. Dusty for now. The earpiece. Yeah, I'm not going to unstick the buttons from here. I do, however, have to take everything out of here, like the charging port, microphone, the vibration router. Look at how much dust in here. Come on, metal plate, get out. Good. Here's the middle part, top button. Now I should try to get out the volume buttons somehow. After all, it's in Nokia. It won't give out without a fight. There we go. And this is the middle frame, and here is the transparent. This is for the infrared port, so I can't paint this, but I can isolate it, no problem. And the volume buttons, of course. Right, moving on. Oh, the SIM card holder is removable. Perfect. There we go. There we go. The spring-like metal part for the button, which will just fall off now. Good. Now for the speaker and antenna. There we go. Ooh. Now the speaker, it's encastrated here, so I'll clean it as it is from outside. Right. And the middle shell, which is cracked here, I'll have to glue this, but only after I clean it. Also, there's something else I want to take off of it. It's gonna be a bit tricky to pull out without damaging it, so I have to take my time. There we go, it's out. I'm using my fingers, not the plier, so I don't scratch it more than it is. The small Nokia logo. Good. So I'll get to clean these dusty parts and be right back. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to make a fast cleanup. Oh boy, so much dirt in this, but this is the best I can do, and now I have to also glue it. Oh, I put a bit too much, but shouldn't be that of a problem. Ew, it spit me. That how much you hate me, bro? Oh, here's where it spit me. Already starting to harden. Good. Maybe a gel one, but it's a fast one. Try not to put on the screw part. No. Okay, this thing is strong glue. I like it. It's not a problem that is looking like this now because it's going to be painted anyway, so. Right, ooh, wait. It's already hardened. It's still sticky though, so I'm gonna let it completely dry. That's kind of it for today's video. And the next video I'm going to prepare it, clean it, and paint it and reassemble it. So until then, I'm gonna put this aside to dry, and I'm going to wish you a very awesome day just like yourselves, and all the best. See you in the next video. Bye bye.